How to fix Cinema HD app not working. So for us to get this done, there are a couple of things that we can do. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open your settings. And here in your settings, I want you to scroll down to apps. Now I'm going to click apps once again. And then from here, what we are going to do is just basically search for that particular app. So I'm going to go ahead and type here Cinema HD just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and open the storage. Now here in the storage, you have two options or two things that you can do. First things first, I want you to go ahead and clear the cache. As you can see in my case, I've already done so. Another thing is clear the data. So I want you to go ahead and clear the data. Just like so, make sure that it has zero data in here. So essentially what it is going to do is just it's going to refresh the app for you. Basically, it will remove all the updates that you have done. So in order for us to make it work, once again, we're going to head over to the Play Store. And here in the Play Store, what you are going to do is just simply hit the update button in here. So you're going to go ahead and click it. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and open the app itself and see if it is working. So that is how you are going to fix Cinema HD app not working.